The last property of addition that we will talk about is the associative property. Finally, one that is easy to pronounce. The associative property of addition says that the order in which you group and add three or more addends does not affect the sum. To demonstrate this property visually with three addends, I will introduce a new equation. A plus B plus C equals D, where A, B, and C are the addends, and D is the sum of those addends. We know what A, B, and C are, and we're trying to find D. You may replace D with a question mark if you'd like. How do you solve an equation like this? The associative property explains how to do this. You can calculate the sum of A plus B and then add C to get D. Or you can calculate the sum of B plus C, then add it to A to get D. Notice the parentheses around A plus B in the second line, and the parentheses around B plus C in the third line. This means that you should evaluate the sum in parentheses first before adding the other number. Here's an example with A equals 7, B equals 3, and C equals 5. Substitute in the numbers, and then evaluate the sums in the parentheses, and then add the remaining values together. You can see that this indeed works. Since this is a mathematical property of addition, it should be obvious that 7 plus 3 plus 5 equals 15. And of course D is also 15. Now it looks nice and pretty. Now, we have shown that this is true, and that this is also true. Further, using the commutative property and the associative property together, we can prove that A, B, and C can be added in any order, and the sum will be the same. Here is a visual proof of this, showing all 6 combinations and their steps. Pause the video if you need to. Oh boy, that got tedious. You can generalize this proof to show that you can add any amount of terms together in any order. I will not do this here because it is not practical. If you have any questions or you think that I did something incorrectly, don't be afraid to tell me in the comment section. I hope you'll join me in the next video where we will be comparing numbers.